What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, the crypto market has been looking pretty good in the last couple of days. The last 3 days, it's been up, from 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock, right? The rolling 24 hours, and then 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock again, and then 8 o'clock and 8 o'clock again, right? Now we're seeing it from 4 to 4 in the last 2 days that we've been looking pretty decent. We're now up to a $952 billion market cap. Now, we will get into this, and this is definitely interesting. I talked about how the crypto market, sort of the crash may be over. And a lot of people are like, the crash is not over. It's going to get worse in a couple of days, in a week, in a month, right? Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, right? I don't even know what's going to happen. So even though I'm saying it may be over, this is all in my opinion and the way that I'm playing the market. Just like you may play the market in a different way, and that's okay. Everybody plays it differently, and that's what makes the market great to be a part of, whether it's crypto or stock market. Everybody plays it differently. Even the businesses play it differently. So nobody knows. They try and create fear or try and create a push, just like anybody that says, oh, this coin is about to 100x. You're trying to create a push to get more people into the position. So then you could see this run, and, a lot of people can see a ton of benefits from it as more and more people get into it, right? The same thing with decreasing the market. More people will say, hey, the crypto market's falling, so they can accurately predict that it's going to fall even more if they have some sort of a following, right? So it's all about having followers, whoever follows, and a lot of times it's the retail traders that follow exactly what's going on. So the institutions are the ones creating the most impact with the most money, and then it's just very difficult for us retail investors to do anything, and then we have to create that next reaction in order for everything to continue to move. So right now we're seeing everything move into the right direction, so we're going to get into that. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I start to ramble, I swear. uh, Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, you can definitely check out some of those links. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, if you don't want to type it in, you can definitely hit that link down below for Twitter. Follow me. But let's talk about the crypto market. The crypto market is up by 3.5% today. It's up to $352 billion. We do see kind of a hard resistance level at that $1 trillion mark. So we want to see if that does break that point in any type of, bullish run, because that's what we're looking for first. Then we could see other different points that we can, see going up. Then if we look at the Bitcoin's dominance actually has decreased about 1% over the day. That's pretty interesting. It's down to 42.47%. Now, this is not the end of the world. It's not like it's 5% or 10%. It's not something to where Bitcoin is dropping and you're seeing other things take over. You're just seeing really Ethereum actually make a bigger move than what Bitcoin is making. So if we scroll down here and look at the different cryptocurrencies that are here, we're going to see Bitcoin is up by 1.5% over the last day. The last 7 days, it's up 2.5%. And the last hour, it's slightly up. Ethereum is about 1% up over the last hour, 8% up over the last 24 hours, and 12% over the last 7 days. So significantly up compared to what Bitcoin is actually up. And that's probably making up a lot of the Bitcoin dominance, takeover, I guess. If we scroll down here to BNB, we're seeing BNB is up about 10%. A lot of things are up higher than what Bitcoin is, right? XRP is up 13% over the last 7 days. Cardano is only up 2%, so it's following where Bitcoin actually is there. Solana up 30% in the last 7 days. That's definitely a big mover. Some people I heard made money within, my community, my tight community that we have here. We have 10% for Polkadot. That was a big one as well. I know Matic was making some moves wherever that is. That's up 50% in the last 7 days. In the last hour, it's down by 1%. The last 24 hours, it's up by 12%. So this has been really moving. Litecoin is up by 20% over the last 7 days. Kronos is up by 10% over the last 7 days. Cosmos, 27% over the last 7 days is another position that I hold. So you can see the trend here, right? Everything or a lot of things are way higher than where Bitcoin is, or Bitcoin's percentage is. So Bitcoin's dominance is definitely getting eaten away by a lot of these things, not just Ethereum. And that's why you're seeing the dominance down by 1%. So I posted a video or posted a live stream earlier today talking about the crash was over, right? And this is not necessarily saying that the crash is completely over and we're going to see it skyrocket from here. In my opinion, that's what I believe will happen. We'll see the crash kind of be over with, and we'll see more consolidation right now. Not really a takeoff or a launching pad by any means, but what it is consolidation. A lot of times, in from what I've seen in my experience, consolidation leads to a larger increase. Now, depending how long that consolidation is, this could be the lows that we end up seeing, right? The lowest point for Bitcoin was $17,700, and seeing that increase up to 21, down to 20, down to 19, and then back up to 20, and now sitting at 21 again. It's really consolidating around that point. So if we zoom out of everything, we're going to see it kind of level out. And as the days go on, it'll look more and more level around those prices. So I expect to see this consolidation continue for quite some time. Even if it does look like it is decreasing, I don't expect it to absolutely skyrocket above $1 trillion. Now, if it does, that's great. But what I do expect, and when I'm talking about $1 trillion, I'm talking about the global crypto market cap. But what I do expect is consolidation around the levels that we do see, 21 to 19. That's where I'm considering, it to drop to, increase to, drop to, increase to, level out, increase, drop, all of that, right? That's what I'm looking for in the crypto market. And I talked about this in a previous video, but there's a number of experts, a number of people out there that will tell you the crypto market is absolutely going to crash. And there's a possibility that they're right. There's also a possibility that they're wrong. So every single person, me included, will try and cover their basis and say, look, this is what I see happening, but this could also happen. And it's all true. You want to know the reason why they say that? Is because no one freaking knows what's going to happen with the crypto market. Nobody knows what is going to happen with the stock market, right? We're all in the dark here. We don't know exactly where it will go. It all depends on reactions. It all depends on actions and reactions. And we've had the actions. It all depends on what our reactions are. And a lot of our reactions and what I've seen in the chat is crypto is over, or crypto is dead, or crypto is going to collapse down to Bitcoin being at 15,000, or Bitcoin being at 14 or 10 or 5,000. I'm seeing a lot of negativity, and that's okay, right? We can see that negativity, and I just can't wait to see what actually happens and if there's going to be a lot of consolidation, because over the next couple of days, we could see a bunch of nothing, and it's not exciting at all, but it's better than decreasing sometimes, in some cases, right? A lot of times when I look at decreasing, I consider it as buying opportunities. But if we're seeing it stay flat and stay within these ranges, it's really tough to figure out what you need to do, because you're just sitting on it because it's consolidating. Just like AMC and GME did for a while, they consolidated. And that's what we may see here for, a couple of weeks to a month, or maybe even further than that. So you let me know what you're thinking about the crypto market. Are you happy with the gains that we've seen over the last 3 days? Do you think this weekend is going to be something that ends up popping off as, it hitting $1 trillion market cap, or 1.2, 1.3, 1.5 trillion dollar market cap? Let me know your thoughts, because honestly, anything could happen. So keep your mind open to what could happen. And that's why I always have my foot in the door in some cases, because you never know where the bottom is. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @Perry8K, you can follow me there. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.